So, hello everyone, hello girlies, welcome back, and I'm back again with one more C drama recommendation this time. The drama which has been uh, done in two POVs in the present and the past, and travels from the past, that is from the high school time, to the present, to the working conditions down there. The lead are, so the girl and the boy, they both live in the same hometown and they both start in the same school. The girl has a traumatic past where she's been thrown from here and there because the father passes away, the mother left leaves the house, and now she's forced to live with her aunt. The boy and the girl develops a very good chemistry and a bonding in between all of the chaos which is happening in the girl's life, and plans the future ahead. But something horrible happens with the girl in the aunt's house, and she was now forced to leave everything, the boy, her plans, her plan of going to the college with the boy in the same university after high school, and she dumps him out and leaves the city, starts going to the college somewhere else. And now the story then comes into the present time, that when the present time the girl and the boy meets up again, closed, and is not ready to share what happened and why she left the boy. But things changes, they are now there, and eventually they are forced to live together under the same roof, like they become the flatmates and they live in under the same roof, and they starts communicating with each other. Boy takes care of her well. The girls has a habit of sleepwalking, so he also takes care of that. And that scene where the boy actually takes care, like how what she's going on, there's the boy gets an idea that she's going on something, and the way she walks in the house keeps on bumping here and there, so he puts the safety measures around the house, so that she does not get hurt anywhere. And eventually the things get solved and they start expressing their feelings, and the girl also tells like what happened with her, and the story continues. It's a beautiful story. If you just see the emotional part that is played by the girl, the things that she had suffered during her entire life, from school till her workplace, is commendable. The closing, enclosed nature of the girl, the how the boy takes care of all those things, takes a step back, gives her the space so that she can comes up and open up and tells him what happens, but stands beside her as the support system that the girls required. It's a beautiful drama to watch on. It's easily available on Netflix. I don't remember how many episodes are there because I watched it way long back. So yeah, that's all for today, and I hope you have liked that video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.